Okay, cool. We have our test customer set up here. We're getting rolling here. Now, I would encourage you if you're up for it, again, to create several test customers. And what we're going to do now is we're going to create some test products. And again, I would encourage you to create more than one test product because you want to, even though we're still sort of in the testing sort of phase of our online store, we really want to test the robustness of the store. We want to try different features and things like this with different customers and with different products, right? All right, so creating a test product, what we have to do before we add products to our Zencart-driven store is we have to create a new category for the test products to fit into. Okay, so just think of categories as different ways to organize the different kinds of products that you're going to be offering. If you're going to be offering music-related products and ebooks and movies, for example, well, you would go and create 3 categories, one for each of those types of products, right? Or you could set it up, I suppose, as a way to organize. If you're only selling movies, then maybe you could use the categories to organize your movies based on the type of movies, action movies and family movies and horror movies and sci-fi movies, that kind of thing. So it's pretty robust here. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do here is inside the landing page or the dashboard inside the back end, I'm going to head to catalog and then down to categories/products. Go ahead and do the same there if you're following me along here. And what I'm going to do inside this screen, you can see we don't have any categories created, again, because this is a clean, fresh, vanilla installation of Zencart. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on New Category, this New Category button. Go ahead and do the same there. Okay. That brings us into the new category screen. Now, I'm going to keep this fairly short and sweet because this is kind of a quick down and dirty run through here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to throw in a category name. Now, I'm going to type in software training DVDs because that's the test products that I'm going to be setting up. Yourself, you can throw in whatever you want there. And then for the categories description, again, you can throw in a quick description here. I think what I'll do is I'll type in something like, this is a category for our test products. Again, just keeping it nice and simple here. All the other fields we're going to ignore. We're not going to bother with any of the other fields. The only other thing I'm going to do is for sort order. I'm going to set that to 0. We could leave that blank, I suppose. And then down at the very bottom here, I'll go ahead and click on Save. Okay, so now when I navigate to catalog and then categories/products, we now see this screen. So we now have a folder, a category folder, and you can see the label there, the name that we gave our category, right? Great. Okay, now that the category is created, we can go and add in some test products into our testing category. So go ahead and click on the folder icon inside categories/products. That will bring you into this screen here. Now, this is a little unintuitive. Bear with me here. What we can do now that we're inside the category, you can see the top there, categories and products, and then software training DVDs. What I want to do is I want to create a new product. But before I click on new product, we're going to choose the type of product that we want to go and create. Now, we don't have enough time to get into all this, but there's a variety of different kinds of products, product types that are possible here inside Zencart. Now, most of the time, you will probably be going with product general. And that's the product type that I'm going to go with here. So I'm going to go with product general, and then I'm going to go new product. Okay, great. That brings us into the new product screen. Now, if you want to scroll down a little bit, have a look at all the different options that we have here. Basically, what we have is this massive web-based form that we have to fill out, right? So here we go. Again, I'm going to zip through this fairly